Hi guys, kamusta? I'm Red Quaresma from the Philippines and I'm a reactor. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button together, the tiny bell button down below. And in this video, we're going to be reacting to you this Unforgettable by Nunu and Lydia. So yeah, I'm really excited to watch this. So yeah, let's start. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Okay, let's count again in 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah, here we go. Oh, Nunu. Wow. Very angelic voice. Oh. Oh my god, the face card. Very handsome. Oh my god, the voice is really good. Oh. Oh. Sounds really good. The vocals, wow. She's really beautiful. Oh my god, the emotions. Oh. Orgasm, very sweet voice. Oh my god. The rendition, oh my god. Perfect. Whoa. Nice one. I like it. Wow. The chemistry. I like the chemistry. Okay. Wow. Perfect. Oh. Wow. 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 I'm so speechless. Oh my god, the voice quality is really good. I like the rendition, the melody of the song, and the video. I like the color grading, very aesthetic. And yeah, you are so very good in singing. I really like the vocals, and the melody of the song sounds really good. And your voice is just like voice of angel, very angelic voice. Thank you so much for sharing this beautiful music. I really appreciated your music. Nuyo and Lydia, you are so amazing artists. Good job. So yeah, if you like this video guys, please give a big thumbs up, and if you have any request video, comments down below, and I'll see you on my next reaction video. Bye.